Artificial intelligence, a technology that once seemed like science fiction, is now playing a significant role in various aspects of our lives. From recommending products to driving cars, AI has shown incredible capabilities, raising the question, can it replace artists, writers, and musicians? While AI tools can generate content efficiently, the essence of creativity, passion, and human emotions seems irreplaceable. Artists and writers infuse their work with personal experiences, emotions, and unique perspectives that may be challenging for AI to replicate authentically. There is a fear that relying too heavily on AI for creative tasks could result in a loss of originality and human touch in art and music. On the other hand, AI technologies like deep learning algorithms have demonstrated impressive abilities to compose music and create art that mimic human styles. Some argue that the collaboration between humans and AI could lead to groundbreaking innovations in the creative industry. This debate between AI and creativity raises important questions about the future of art, music, and literature. While AI can assist artists in generating ideas and improving efficiency, the core of artistic expression remains deeply rooted in human experiences and emotions. Ultimately, the balance between AI tools and human creativity may hold the key to unlocking new possibilities in artistic endeavors. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.